What lies ahead? Just the path to some destination? Or is there more? In a world with endless ways and opportunities, some roads are straightforward and fast, while others twist and turn. The people you meet, chances you take, new things you discover, these shape your journey, and eventually, it's the journey that shapes you. When you ride out, you cannot fail, because we're in it together, making the most of our chosen route. Be progressive and go beyond familiar territory. Embrace obstacles, because they're merely an invitation to explore deeper. The people with us on our journey make it worthwhile, for together we can make the most of any route we choose. Imagination and curiosity will lead us. Determination will find a way. Because the only wrong move is not moving at all. Whichever way you aim, go further with us. As we have the power to experience more together.